A new leak has just given us the clearest look yet at Samsung's upcoming flagship, and it's already turning heads. What appears to be an official marketing image for the Galaxy S26 Ultra has surfaced online, and it gives us a much more realistic idea of what Samsung is planning. Even though the phone hasn't been officially announced yet, and the launch is still a few weeks away, this leak strongly suggests that Samsung is going in a bold new direction with design, while keeping the features fans care about the most. The leaked image comes from Evan Blass, also known as EV-Leaks, who has a long history of sharing accurate information ahead of official launches. Because of his strong track record, this image is being taken very seriously. It doesn't look like a rough render or a concept image. Instead, it looks polished and clean, just like something you would expect to see on Samsung's website or in a launch presentation. The first thing that really stands out is the new color. Samsung seems to be introducing a shade called Cobalt Violet, and it looks striking. It's a deep, rich purple that feels premium and confident without being flashy. In recent years, Samsung has played it pretty safe with colors, mostly sticking to black, gray and silver. This new violet option feels like a refreshing change and could easily become a fan favorite. Another important detail in the image is the S Pen. Samsung clearly shows it alongside the phone, which confirms that the S Pen is still a key part of the Ultra experience. For users who rely on the S Pen for note-taking, work, or drawing, this is reassuring news. There were some quiet concerns that Samsung might eventually phase it out or make it optional, but this leak suggests that the S26 Ultra is staying true to its note-inspired roots. The phone itself also looks slimmer than before. This lines up with earlier rumors that Samsung is working on a thinner design for the S26 Ultra. While the Ultra series is known for being big and powerful, comfort has always been a concern for some users. A thinner body could make a noticeable difference in daily use, especially for people who hold their phone for long periods or use it one-handed. This leak matters because it helps people decide whether it's worth upgrading. If you're currently using an older Galaxy Note, an S21 Ultra, or even an S22 Ultra, the S26 Ultra could be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Samsung seems focused on refining what already works instead of reinventing everything. That usually results in a more polished and reliable device. Samsung is also clearly continuing its strategy of standing out from Apple and Google by offering features that others don't. The massive 200-megapixel camera is expected to return, giving users incredible detail and flexibility in photography. Combined with Samsung's processing and zoom capabilities, this could once again make the Ultra one of the best camera phones on the market. Then there's the display. While the leak doesn't show display details, Samsung's Ultra phones are known for having some of the best screens you can buy. If you care about brightness, smooth scrolling, and sharp visuals, the S26 Ultra will likely deliver in a big way. On a personal level, the Cobalt Violet color feels like a real win. It's bold without being too loud, and it gives the phone a distinct personality. After spending time with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which is a great device but also quite large, the idea of a thinner S26 Ultra is genuinely exciting. Big phones can become uncomfortable over time, especially when used daily, so any improvement in ergonomics is welcome. While there are still rumors floating around about features Samsung might never give us, this leak already puts many design questions to rest. It shows that Samsung is confident in its direction and willing to take small but meaningful risks. If this image is truly representative of the final product, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a thinner, bolder, and more refined flagship. It keeps the S Pen, embraces a standout color, and aims to improve comfort without sacrificing power. That alone is enough to get a lot of people excited for what's coming next.